Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use AI generated voiceovers for your videos. So if you have been looking for the right AI tool to generate voiceovers for your videos, this is the right video for you. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to this website called 11labs.io and sign up or sign in for an account, and then what you have to do is click on the options menu and go to this voices option, and then it would take us to a different web page where we would have to choose from the various categories we have. Now what we have to choose from here is the library option, which will show us the various voices we have for different purposes. So we have the narrative, the conversational, the characters and animation, social media, entertainment and TV, advertisements, informative and educational. We can also scroll down to see, to test these voices we can click on the play option to just hear how
इस आवाज़
they
का उपयोग
sound.
करें क्योंकि इसमें
Good.
बहुत सारी मॉड्यूलेशन
So this is an Indian voice. We have Indonesian, Canadian, and so. But if you're looking for a voice that is specific to a particular place, you can always search for the voice. So let me say African here. Okay, good. And so once this helps to streamline your options, so it will just provide you with only African voices. You can also choose if you want to tell a story or you want it to be in a narrative voice. You can choose a narrative voice here, or you want it a conversational. So this is how to choose a voiceover for your AI content. Thank you very much, and do have a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below.